Sauce up juice, good for your nerve and good for your back. You're not gonna talk to me in front of my people, you mad? Then go shot to your box. My goal line body, you mad? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's your girl MelicaSkylife in the building. Yo! What do them? Guys, in today's video, I'll be doing a mukbang. I have 3 good up mango. I don't know, say November now, so mango season kind of out. So I was excited to get these 3 mangoes from my grandmother. So I'm gonna devour them right now on camera with a 1 and 3 stuff. Also, I got some soursop juice. I drink out no fight already. I can't show no. But like the gun. See? Soursop juice. Good for your nerve and good for your back. Sorry, take out the back bad. Anyways, it's good for your nerve. It's good for if you're not sleeping well. What else? Yeah, soursop juice just good. And you can use the leaf to make tea. So soursop juice has a lot of benefits. I tell. The mango here, the wash already. I don't know what kind of mango they be, they mix stuff. But I really love mango. So when mama give me this, I said, Mama, yeah, come out so strong. If you watch me, I eat 50 mango a day, and mango have only for sugar in it. Really, too much right now going. So follow this world. I check this world. Too much are not good. It's all about balance. You have to balance everything that you do. I have to just balance everything. Guys, if you notice, I've been trying to do different stuff on the channel because I don't have the time to vlog anymore. So I really hope you guys appreciate my effort that I'm putting in to give you guys different content. I know you're not used to this type of content from me, but I'm trying to do different things just to give you content, and also to grow into finding my niche, trying new things to find my real niche. Jesus, please. And that's what myself. Won't get it. Other day in social media, funny media, I see everybody talk about this black hypocrisy with Spice. I'm not going to talk about Spice and whatever she did with that young man. Now what I'm going to talk about is the context of the song. Black hypocrisy is so real, and being a black girl, like, I experience it a lot, but not in a lie. I feel deal with the skin a little bit coming on, not the waist. Yeah, with black hypocrisy, I believe that racism and colorism is a real issue. And why I'm not saying real, because I experience it as a black person. Even when I travel, how I see them deal with me and how I see them deal with regular white people or people from a different country, one are black, I say, yeah, them people are racist. And if they brown or white, they would deal with me. So that's how I feel. Boy, I don't know if you get your juice out of this. Like, even with my day-to-day growing up, I only by the time I get called black and ugly, black and crusty like. Are you black so? But guess what? Them used to call me a black sparrow at one time. But I believe those things shape me into the confident person I am about my blackness, because guess what? I'm black and I'm proud. I'm not going to mistake of you or what you say. Like, me feel less than or not worth it. Like, that just not going to work with me. Now, it would have turned out well with me. I do not going to believe that because you white, you better than me. You mad? So, be confident about my blackness, but we know say black hypocrisy is real. But you're not gonna treat me different from how you would treat a regular man. You understand? Because me black. Me not gonna accept that. Another thing what me see heavy for social media in a society these days, which me not gonna subscribe to, is domestic violence against women per se. Domestic violence today against men too, you know, but let's just talk about the women and children. There is no way me ever there I ever abuse you and me not left you. You understand? And I might leave you real early if me pick up on it early. Ladies, me not subscribe to domestic violence, and domestic violence is not only physical beating. Normally they don't start off physical beating. What these men do, when you're just there with them, then try and test if you see how much you will take as a woman. And anytime they test you, you need to burn them. If you can burn them up, you burn them up. You understand? How they will start is how they talk to you. When you and them, they're like, yeah baby, yeah babes, ray. That's how they start off. All of a sudden you find out, say, them start tell us, say, shut up, I don't want to hear nothing from you. You could have not take you as nothing as a regular person. Them as the man say, okay, I tell her to shut up, and she not say nothing about it. You understand? Them start style you. Hey girl, we are dealing with so. But we lick in your face and very them start promising a lick now. They not do it yet, you know. But these people are training you to accept certain things, because when them start them things here, you don't do nothing, them a condition you. This is how they operate. They have to study men. Abusive men, they just don't come abusive stuff. Are jealous man, or they do crazy ass things. Red flags did it. And we as women need to see the red flag them. We need to see the red flag them, and we need to act on them. Right? When them start styling out, one day you and them are cussing at the house, and then just go say, move out of way and give one little push. And I'm not violent enough to make you say, Jesus Christ, he push me down, no, and then now start like that. Them give a little push, and you not say nothing about it. Then say, okay, I push her, and she afraid of me, she never push me back, she never do nothing. Me and her still there. Night, me and him go to bed, and me and him sort out everything alright. She okay with it. This is how these men think, and women have to realize that. After that now, you and them in a full-blown argument again one different day. You know what they go do to you? They go shut your box. You see when they shut your box now, you go frightened and fold up, because guess what? You've been conditioned to accept these things. You see, from the first time you go push your eyes, as a matter of fact, when you talk to you and you not like it, they say, yo, don't talk to me saying I'm not like it. I'm not like it. I'm not going to accept you and speak to me like that. Especially if we have children. I'm not going to talk to me saying in front of my people, you're mad. You're not going to verbally abuse me in front of my kids and me take it. Me, I teach my kids them say that is acceptable. I'm not teach my kids them that for no man. Which man can beat me up and stay with them and start them out and give me them my body? My goal line body. You mad? Domestic violence is a real thing, and I understand why sometimes it's hard for women to leave, because they depend on a man for everything. You can't depend on a man for everything. You cannot depend on a man for everything. If I'm and a man there, the man go tell me, don't go work, him remind you need to go work, because he's going to use that against you. I see it so many times. I'm young, but I see it. And these things will have women accept it, because they don't have nowhere to live. I'm a pay rent, I'm a pay bills, I'm alone a drive the car, everything. You have to try one thing for yourself as well, because you need to remember that you want individual to yourself. No man not supposed to tell you what type of friend. If you and him there, all of a sudden you want to drop all your friend them and just spend all your time with him. No, that is not healthy. That is not having a balanced relationship. You understand? You need to have balance. If a man don't want to go nowhere alone, everywhere you want each up behind and you and any stuff there, I red flag them and you need to wise up and open your eye. That's a jealous person. Right? Most of these men, why they're abusive, they come from abusive homes. You understand? That is what they saw their father did to their mother, or that is what their father did to them. Abuse them, beat them. You understand? I think a little bit of uptown woman I get beaten. It's when the downtown woman them will fight back him and them. Only for the uptown woman them I get beaten and I put on makeup and I go work the next morning. And when they to go on function, they dress up in a nicest suit and go function with man. Man I figure go that by himself, because when he come back, me not did it. Because first of all, I not go fight because I can't manage it. After I not do that, I might face I want to go mash up. From me know say abuse it for you're sick in your head. But I just go wait until you're asleep or something. But pack up my picnic and I leave. And I'm not going to stand up and make you fight me. God no. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to accept it. So my little 2 cents to people who get abused is leave an abusive relationship. There is better out there. Abuse come in different ways. They can verbally abuse the day in the day out. Them call you workless, them call you dog, them call you all manner and name, and you accept it. And when you're in crowd, you smile with him, you hug up with him. No. You can't sit down and accept this stuff in my life as a young lady. I want me to teach my sister say, men should treat ladies like queens. And it's full time now, women don't accept nothing less. That is the problem. We keep accepting these foolishness, this foolery. That's my new word, foolery. And they think that is okay. I'm not gonna accept it. My African descendants, them my national era, them go through too much. For me sit down a yard make man beat me. After me not idiot. Most of the time, women see the red flags and choose to say, because maybe man have so whole heap of money, you have a big car, you have a big house. I'd rather move out of that and have a peace of mind and happiness than make a man beat me. I must be sick. Or if you're smart and you're in it already, you go and take your money and save you and you're picking them run with. Because them man are sick in their head. They're crazy. Them man are sick in their head. And the style what they have is when them kill it, picking them and them kill themselves. How can you kill your child? You are crazy, because guess what? You get the opportunity to live a life and have the children. And you're going to take away life from the children then? We used to see these things a lot, like American shows, but we never experienced as much in Jamaica. Never feeling say media shape people mindset and tell them how to act. Now watch my mouth. You understand? Another thing what go on in America, because me got foreign, then me ready. Me no one there foreign and I walk up and down good me here. Bow, shot a fire, me get shot dead a foreign. And that time, there needs to be some law in place of who gets guns. Because what we know about foreign, as those sick people over there, white people, they shoot you up and nothing come outside. You either go about the business and then just shut up the place. There needs to be some law in place. They can't operate like that. Them too loose. Hey, mango them loose here. Talking about the black hypocrisy and the racism thing again. I remember when I was overseas. When I tell my mom go overseas, the lady was giving back change to a black person, and the lady put it on the counter, and everybody else, she placed the change in their hands. All the white people them, in place the change in their hand. Tell me now. Ruth, is that right? I mean to accept that? The mukbang. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. I really appreciate you guys, and I really want to hear from you. Leave a comment below.